So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver of Gigabyte motherboard. So first you have to come this website. You can see this is www.gigabyte.com. Then this is website. You just see here the search button. You just click and type your motherboard model number B860M Eagle. Then hit enter. Then click to product. Then you can see B860M Eagle. Click on that. Then click to support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. If you are using Windows 10, you can follow that video and install driver in Windows 11 10. So first of all, this is audio driver, and click to download. You can see it is start downloading. After completed, let's open that. So this is audio driver, just single click to open. You can see this is size and just double click to open that. Then click to yes. Now this is audio driver installing. So it is automatically closing. This is installed and then close it. Chipset. So first one, click to download. This is start downloading. So it is installed. It download. Now try to install. Just double click. Then click to yes. Then it is done and close it. LAN driver. So first one, click to download. Just single click to open. Double click. Then yes. So it is closed means this is installed. VGA driver. So Intel VGA driver. Click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see here. So it is download 9:15. So 9:15. Just single click to open. This is VGA driver, Intel VGA driver. So wait few seconds, it will extract first. Okay. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is extracting. So it is totally completed extractions. So now this is installing by the cmd command. Then guys, it's completed, then restart. Okay, thank you.